plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, welcome back and happy Chinese New Year. If you are celebrating, I hope that you have a happy and safe week, and I hope that you enjoy this craft. I am making a Darumaka because I thought that its colors match with the Chinese New Year decorations, and then I make a Tauros for the Year of the Ox. So I hope that you guys enjoy. Last video, I think I was talking about my car breaking down. My car is back. The payment was a little high, but you know, I had the money, so it's okay. And then my computer broke down, because of course it did. So I'm actually doing this voiceover and all of this editing on my old laptop, which is okay, but it's really slow compared to the desktop. I think I really got used to and spoiled by my desktop, so I'll be very happy when that comes back home because it's just so much easier to record with it. I hope that everybody is doing well. I hope that you're finding some fun crafts to make. I am very close to 100 Pokemon. I'm hoping to do a Valentine's Day video. We'll see. Things have been crazy right now, so no promises on that one, but if I get that Valentine's Day thing done, then I will have reached 100 Pokemon, which is so exciting. I have been aiming for this goal for the past 2 months, so I'm very excited for that. So I definitely think that I made his eyes a little more intense here than the actual game art, but that's alright. I think this is the first time I've done a video where I've had more than one Pokemon in it too, which is new. I just want to get to 100, so I'm changing things up a little. I also have been working on a Sims 4 project, which might have been what crashed my computer. Excuse me. So if my computer comes back and there's no data corruption, I have a Sims video coming out. Which, if that's not your cup of tea, no worries. You don't have to watch it or anything. That's okay. But I'm excited to do that because I watch a lot of Sims content and enjoy it. So yeah, now I'm working on Tauros. I have lots of these really earthy toned papers. I love the paper that I used for this one. I know it's not quite the right tone for his fur, but it was the best I had. So I have that and the brown. It's like a brown green and then 2 gray ones. So yeah. I also have something fun coming for 25 years of Pokemon. I hope that you guys like it. I made a huge wall or door decoration for Pikachu. It is really bright and really colorful, and it's nothing like anything I've done before, so I hope that you guys stick around for that one. I think Pokemon Go had an event for the new year too, didn't it? I haven't played in a long time, but I think I saw some advertisements that had Tauros on it, so I was kind of glad to see I had gotten the memo this time around. I know some of my art friends, they are following with the events, right? And they do the Pokemon Go things and work on the generations that are really popular, and I just don't do that. I just make whatever I'm feeling like making, and then I don't get as many views, but that's okay. I'm having a good time, so. Luckily I was able to keep all of his tails on one sheet, so I could just glue it down all at once, and not 3 times. I'm trying to think what else has been going on. Oh man, I'm having some struggles keeping my stress levels down. Something about my car and my computer breaking down kind of did a little bit of a number on me. So I am trying to relax and trying to watch a good show or play a game on my laptop or something, but oh man, it's just been quite a year, hasn't it? I know I'm complaining about something that's, not really that bad, but it's still stressful. So now I'm just doing the little details on his face before I put the head on the body. And here they are together. I absolutely love this whole theme I've got going. Oh, I need to do more videos with like 2 matching Pokemon. So this is the background paper I used. It's an artesian paper from Joann's. I just wanted to show the thing in case it's still available. I got it on sale. It was like $5 for 5 sheets or something like that. So I used that as the background for them. And I kind of made it so they're continuous so that they could be both hung up on a wall, and it kind of looks like they're part of the same floral background, if that makes sense. I really love this paper. I think it would be beautiful for bookbinding too if you're into that kind of thing. It would make a really nice book cover. And so here they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Try to have a good holiday, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye!